How to fix Facebook you entered an old password problem or issue on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix or solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and on settings guys, you will just go directly now to as you see here, to apps or applications. Then here you will search for Facebook, and when you found it guys, just open it like this and scroll down also the screen and go to storage, then go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you another video.